Hello. In this tutorial video, we are going to show you how to verify the trading account we recently opened with Forex.com. Next, we will proceed to upload the necessary documents for the identity verification process within this broker's platform.
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.
Please stay tuned with us until the end. To begin, we will navigate to and select the Upload Document option. In this section, to verify your account, you need to use both an identity document and a proof of residence for your address. For the identity document, you should upload files such as PDF, JPG, or other accepted formats with a maximum file size of 20 megabytes. We select the Upload Document option. We have selected the documents. We have uploaded the documents. The account is under review. After your account is verified, which may take up to 2 business days, you will receive an email from the broker indicating that your account has been approved. You will also see the account verification label in the verification section. The current status regarding your personal registration and account details is presently undergoing a comprehensive review process, and as soon as you have successfully received the official account approval email from the broker, you will then be fully authorized to proceed with opening a live trading account.